Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to show or hide icons in the taskbar or system tray in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to use. Once everything is up and running, you can begin customizing your taskbar icons. Now, direct your attention to the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This is where all your pinned apps and system icons live. Right-click anywhere on the taskbar itself, and you'll see a context menu pop up with several options. From this menu, look for and click on Taskbar Settings. This will open up the Taskbar Settings window where you can customize various aspects of your taskbar's appearance and behavior. Once the Taskbar Settings menu opens, you'll need to scroll down through the available options. Keep scrolling until you locate the option labeled Turn System Icons On or Off. This is the key setting that controls which system icons appear in your system tray, giving you complete control over what's visible and what stays hidden. Go ahead and click on this option to access the icon management screen. After clicking, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of all the system tray icons available on your Windows 11 computer. Each icon in this list will have its own individual toggle button right next to it. These toggles let you easily show or hide specific icons based on your preferences. Simply click on any toggle button to turn an icon on, making it visible in your system tray, or turn it off to hide it from view. This is particularly useful if you want to declutter your system tray and only display the icons you actually use regularly. You can customize this setup as much as you like, turning icons on and off until you achieve the exact look and functionality you want. And that's it, you've now customized which icons appear in your Windows 11 taskbar and system tray, creating a cleaner and more personalized desktop experience. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.